This is my math homework number 25, Wednesday. For number 1, it says select a phrase from the answer choices to correctly complete each sentence. Write the correct letter in the box to complete each sentence. So we have less than, equal to, or greater than. So the product of 3/5 and 4 is blank 4. Well, it's 3/5. It's being multiplied by 3/5, so we know that this can be less than 4. For the second one, it says the product of 1 and 1/2 and 2. Well, anything more than 1 and 1, more than 1 will get greater. So then, of course, it will be greater. And the last one, the product of 5/2 and 13/4 is something 13/4. Once again, 5/2 is really 2 and 1/2, right? Because 2 can go into 5 twice, and there'll be 1 left out of 2. And of course, that's also going to be greater. So it will be A, C, C. There won't be any equal to. Equal to, when you multiply a fraction, it has to be like 2 out of 2 or 7 out of 7 to make it one whole, which will then make it equal to. But 3/5 is less than 1, so your answer will get smaller. 1 and 1/2 is bigger than 1, so you'll get greater. And 5/2 is really 2 and 1/2, so it'll be greater. Number 2. Jen makes a rectangular banner. It is 3/4 yard long and 1/4 yard wide. What is the area? Once again, area is length times width. So we'll do 3/4 times 1/4. And we'll get 3/16. So the answer is 3/16. And if you want to be technical, it would be 3/16 yard squared, because you're dealing with area. Number 3. Mr. Edwards is making sandwiches. Sandwiches is misspelled. Should be sandwiches with W, no T. He has 4 pounds of cheese. He puts 1/4 pound of cheese in each sandwich. What is the total amount of sandwiches Mr. Edward made using all 4 pounds of cheese? Well, he has 4 pounds of cheese. He's splitting it up into eighths, because every eighth equals a sandwich. So we want to figure out how many sandwiches there are. So it'll be keep, because you know it's be division. So we keep, change it, and then don't forget, flip it. So it'll be 4 times 8. So the answer is going to be 32 sandwiches. So that's how you know how many sandwiches he made. He's going to take the 4 pounds of cheese and he shares it. He splits it among eighths, right? He cuts it into eighths. Every eighth equals a sandwich. So that's how you know it's 4 divided by 1/8 to give you 32.